Hello my friends. My goal today is to do an elegant pour with black and white and silver and gold. I'm going to load them into this measuring cup side by side, trying to avoid getting a lot of gray. So I'm going to have black and gold on one side and white and silver on the other. So I'm going to start with black and silver, and then gold and white, and then repeat until I have about a cup full. So here we go. So if I pour it in at the same time, they meet in the middle and stay separate. That's the idea. Okay. And now the same with the gold and white. This is when it's very important to have similar consistencies, so your paints will flow at the same time. Okay. I may have wanted to do those layers a little thinner. I was thinking I'd do several, but I'm almost to the point where I have enough paint. Okay, well, let's go back to it. You know what? I think I'm going to stop. I have more black, and wow, I've got a lot of paint left. I'll be experimenting with these colors and different techniques and stuff, but okay. And so there's my spout, and I've got a pretty good separation right in the center there. So here we go. Move this into view. I'm just going to do pretty much a straight pour, maybe a jiggle, and then see what happens. And here we go. I just love the drama of black and silver. And waiting on the gold and the white to make an appearance. Still waiting. Here it comes a little bit. I can't talk while I'm just mesmerized by the pour here. It's going in little rings as I pour it, and as I talk, I'm messing it up. And as I laugh, oh my gosh, I just messed up the flow by laughing. All right, I'll do a little jiggle thing just to get a little different look. Back to the straight. rotate it slightly. Okay, I think that's about enough. I'm going to stop it. Okay, that's always a little nerve-wracking at the end. Okay, well, the white certainly kind of disappeared on me, but that might be okay. I don't love the very end there. Let's see what I have handy. I have a paintbrush. I think I'll just kind of, should I bother? I'm not going to bother. I'll swirl it later if necessary. I might be tilting that all off anyway. Okay, here we go. Just moving it around. You know, oh, there's the white. I have to do something more interesting with this. It's not going to be very interesting. So I'm going to pour some black over here. Get some negative space. Maybe over here. All right, back to it. Over the edge and back. And down here. And now we size it up. It's no great shakes in my estimation. There are some nice areas, but some I don't care for. Get over that edge. I need to get rid of this little white penis shape thing. Goodbye. Yeah, I like the black and gold. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Maybe if I can... Well, what do you think? Should I stop? Is it worthwhile? I don't know. I don't love it. I don't know that I like it well enough to even show you. I'm going to do something I do when I'm unhappy with something. Before I scrape it, I always try a spritz of Rain-X. Let's see what that does. It's not bad. Maybe I should leave it alone, but oh, I don't know. It's not bad at all, really. I guess I'm being too harsh. Sorry, I'm just really... No, you know, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. It's probably not as bad as I think. Let me bring it down. A closer look. I like that. I like the depth right there. And I like that area there, the white. When it dries, I suppose it could be quite pretty with the silver. Yeah, I guess it's not bad. I don't know what I'm... Get the light off of there, you get a better look at it. What do you think? Keep or scrape? Okay, well, I can't hear what you're saying, so I'll keep it for now and maybe poring over it later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.